This is Rico character running up the staircase, but animating this thing in Flipaclip is very hard, but I found easy way to do it. Watch the full video on my page to learn how I created this animation step by step. Let me show you now. Before I start the tutorial, if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this. So guys, at this point, click on that plus icon to create a new project. Now name your project. I'm going to name it Rico Animations running at the staircase, because that is the title of this tutorial. Then I'll click on done. Okay, then I will now click on that background icon over there to import a background. So I've already designed a background that I'll be using for this project. So look at the background. Then once you import the background, then zoom in. Okay, use your two finger to zoom in the background so that the thing, just like scaling it up, then click on that good icon over there to import it into your project. Now the next thing, to set up your canvas size. So this video is for YouTube, so I will select YouTube 1080p. Okay, then click on create project. Now we are on the interface of Flipaclip. Now we need to first of all click on that plus icon to add a new frame, because we are doing pose to pose animation. Okay, then click on that three dot to add your character image. Okay, so there won't be any need for us to draw any character, because I've already designed the characters we'll be using for this project. There is a free app on my phone that allows me to generate Rico characters very easily. Okay, so I can use them for animation. So if you want to get the Rico character, I recommend you join my WhatsApp channel, then I will send you the Rico character app. Okay, use the link in the description of this video to join my WhatsApp channel. Okay, then click on that plus icon, then I will add the second image. You know that we are doing pose to pose animation. So what is pose to pose animation? So guys, in pose to pose animation, it is a technique animators use during animation. It's just like creating the key poses first, then we now fill in the in-betweens frames. Okay, so it's called like the in-between. Okay, the interpolation. So guys, if you want to learn more about animation, if you want to learn how to make animation move on your smartphone or your laptop, I recommend you join my animation class also. Okay, use the link in the description of this video to join my Telegram, my WhatsApp channel, and then contact me for my animation class. Okay, so I can teach you more about animation. So in one cycle, like I said, we have the up movement, the contact pose, and the passing pose. So this is the passing pose. Okay, one of the leg is touching the ground, that is a passing pose. Okay, so the previous frame we added was a contact pose whereby the two legs are raised up. So always observe it during run cycle. They have passing pose, they have contact pose. Then you now do the opposite of the left and the right leg and the hand for you to achieve, you see that this is also a contact pose whereby the two legs are touching the sky. Okay, the two legs are wide open, that is a contact pose. So if you want to learn more about these things, I recommend you join my WhatsApp channel and then contact me, okay, for my animation class. So guys, you see how I'm doing the thing. So the next pose now is going to be a passing pose. Okay, so with that passing pose now, we are almost got the animation right. You see, so this is a passing pose because of one of the leg is touching the ground and the other leg is raised up, but now it's now affecting the other leg. You have to do the left leg and the right leg, so that if you now play the video, it will look like the character is running. So that is the trick we use to get this thing done. Okay, the same way you do it on the phone, you can as well do it on your laptop. Okay, it's just the same technique that you are going to be using for the two processes. Okay, so guys, we are almost done with the whole thing. So I think this is the end frame. So this is the end frame now. So by the time we finish adding this frame now, our character will be start running immediately. Okay, please, I have something to tell you. If you are watching this video, please like this video. Okay, follow this page and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials. Okay, so I'm going to add a empty frame. Okay, so that if you have music, you can click on that music icon to add your music, but I'll just play the video for you guys. You see so guys, we are done with the animation. Very easy, no stress. Okay, so when you finish, you now click on that three dot and then click on make movie so that you can export this video. You see that my Flipaclip is a premium version. They are not showing watermark, so it's for my students. So once you join my WhatsApp channel and then join my animation class, you get this app from me for free, okay, for your phone animation. Then guys, we are done with the exporting, so let's play the video now and see. You see animation is very easy, guys. So that is how you do your animation, even if you are using stick figure, because this is a stick figure character, or even if you are using a normal 2D character, this is the same technique. Or if you are using a 3D cartoon, this is the same technique you use to achieve a run cycle, the same contact and passing pose. Okay, so I hope you learned something from this tutorial. Please, like I said, if you want to learn more about animation, reach out to me. I'm willing to teach you one-on-one mentorship until you become professional animators, because this new year, and also happy new year guys, happy new year. Thanks for watching my video. Don't just watch, please. When you watch, like, comment, and subscribe and share the video so that the video can get to more people. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. And I'm dropping a 3D animation tutorial this week. You guys should wait for it. I'm dropping a 3D animation tutorial on Friday. Okay, it's going to be massive, guys. So thank you for watching. Please share this video. One love. Peace out.